Okay, we're at Mr. J.Neat's house. Today is November 21st. Let's see. We are going to perform a repair attempt to see what the shingles look like if we try to repair them. I want to go ahead and point out some issues that we have with flashing. If we try to repair these, I'm not going to deal with touch these. And so we'd have some issues with repairs for shingles that are overlapping with the ridge vent. Like if I'm trying to repair this shingle, I have to remove the two courses above it. This shingle is held in place by the ridge vent and ridge cap above it. So we have to look at removing that, which is attached to both sides, so potentially cause damage to rear slopes here and the ridge cap. So we'll go ahead and bring all those issues to light here. But I think we found a good repair test here we can do with this shingle. So excuse the sun. I know my back's made the sun, so we're gonna see some shade here. But let me set this up. So we've got to get. So it starts here, here. Driven, so they're actually ripping through the shingles. It's kind of fun. I'll show you that. So I'm not really able to get these nails out because they're over driven. So this looks like if we were to keep on going here. So more shingles holding that in place because they're driven through, but still in place. So you gotta go one more course up. Come on. Okay. So it's not working. Now it comes out, but I can see that these shingles, obviously, with the overdriven nails and everything, the shingles really aren't repairable because we're starting to see this hinging there from all the extra work having to get those out. We're starting to see it. Yeah, we can see that there. Not to mention, they're like ripping underneath there. There. So really, like, this was the original damaged shingle. This shingle is now damaged. This shingle is now damaged too. Let's see. There, no, hard to see in the video here. I can take some pictures afterwards, but so show you what this looks like even if we try to put it back in. But right off the bat, trying to do a bunch of repairs like that, it's probably gonna leave a much more damaged shingles. So. So original shingles back in place. You can see we got damage here. You can see that's hinging, right? Like, you don't see the crease yet, but you can already see that shingle's hinging, which means it's disconnected. The same there, right? So these adjacent shingles are wearing out. Not to mention the pull-throughs, which means they're not necessarily going to seal what they're supposed to seal. So repair attempts are causing damage, right? Original damaged shingle is here. It's now damaged 1, 2, 3 additional shingles. All right, here we go. 4 additional shingles in that process. So, the roofing system, someone could attempt to repair this, and it's going to not be the right decision. Repairs are going to cause additional damage because of this here. It's going to cause damage around the flashing. If you're trying to attempt repairs around the skylights, you're going to leave them in worse condition. And if you're trying to attempt repairs around the ridge cap, you're going to leave the ridge vent in worse condition as well. I would not recommend repairs on this roof.